Later, I will introduce the EUI injector. 回来了吧，回来吧。You can see this the two type injector. This is for the E1 system. It's for the E2 system. All the Volvo injector. This is the 2-pin. This is the 4-pin. About they are looks similar but not same. About this and some of the control valve not same. I'm here just want to show you some spare parts for this injector. We can supply some parts for you to repair this injector. About this injector, it's for the E3 system. We can supply this the control valve. You can see it's the 7135588. About this valve is original. They have 3 parts. You can check the detail. About this control valve, no factory produces it in China. In the Chinese market, there are 2 types: original and rebuilt one. Rebuilt just the old one. We repair it and test it to sell others. But I think rebuilt one not good enough. This one is very good. It is its package. Its original package. About this, we only supplied this control valve. About this, the injector E3 system, we only supplied this valve. About this injector for the E1 system, we can supply the control valve, nozzle, and the repair kit. About this injector, about this control valve, we have 3 types. We also can supply the repair kit and the nozzle. You can see this the 2 control valve. It's used in here. There are 2 types, not same. The oil hole is different. About this one, the hole is on the side. About this one, the oil hole is on the top. The face also not same. You can check the detail. About this valve, it's made in China. It is from our factory. We are the only manufacturer to produce it in the China market. We also have another one. This one is for the pump. They are similar but not same. About this control valve, we can sell in the complete like this one, complete one. We also can sell it without this solenoid, just this and this. You can sell them. About this plunger, you can see it is with a coating. It works very good. You can see the detail. You can check it. It's not same. It's for the pump.